left you a note. Let me see. You want to know what it says?
Yeah.
Ariel, all is forgiven. Make sure you are extra good. Thank you for the cookies and milk. Merry Christmas. Love, Santa.
I hope he gave me presents even more.
But you know what? You should check our stockings.
Okay, I'll go.
Aurora, let's check our stockings.
Stocking.
Let's check our stockings. What?
Oh, present!
What?
Present!
Somebody's stocking fell down. It must have been too heavy. Aurora, you must have been super good.
Mommy, big book!
Wonderful. Come here, Aurora.
Now I could match you.
Aurora, look. Come here.
Nothing else in my stocking.
Okay, don't rip it off, hon. Good girl. Come here. What you got?
Mommy, look. Now
Go inside.
Mommy.
Go inside.
Mommy, now me and my sister can match.
My slippers?
Uh-huh.
Woo! Yeah, we have something else in there. Take it out. Oof. Take it out. You have one more. Look. Come here. Put it here. Let's move this out of the way.
Mommy, that.
Okay, put this down. Open your presents.
It's the one that I wanted. Daddy, look. Remember we saw this one?
What is it? An
We
ornament.
saw this one at a store, but Daddy didn't buy it.
Okay.
That's a
You want
good.
it? Oh. Mommy's gonna check her stocking. Okay. Anybody advance?
That was the throw-in.
Feels weird. Oh, son. I got my belt. That Mommy wanted.
And your mask.
Mask. No, it's not a mask. I got some.
Daddy.
Oh! I got a mask.
Me. Daddy. Me. See, I know.
Aurora, show me. Wow.
And look, Mommy.
Did you see what Mommy got? Okay, Daddy's turn. Let me, oh.
Daddy, I have to go upstairs and see what is yours.
My turn. Oh, no. Come on, let me. Go ahead, Sticky.
Whoa. Look, there.
Oh, I'm just seeing if you missed anything.
Daddy.
He's digging deep.
Oh, I got it. Sure.
Daddy.
Do you?
He's so silly. He is a silly, silly daddy.
Tripod. Adjust it.
Hmm? Okay.
Put it on the tripod and adjust it. I'll wait.
As I fall down and break my
Ariel,
head.
wait.